If you're watching this video, you're probably interested in our library GetWeather. In this video, I will explain what is the purpose of the library and what it includes. The main goal of the library is to return the current weather in a requested city and country. This library refers to one RESTful web service, OpenWeatherMap, but as a developer, you can add other libraries. The library has been developed in the C# language and in the Visual Studio 2015 environment. Unit testing was performed. Design pattern implementation in the library are singleton and factory. So, what is included in the library? A folder with all classes interfaces and files that needed in order to use the library, a library solution file to run on Visual Studio environment, and a small demonstration program in C# that uses the library to retrieve the current weather in London, UK. So here you have some links for GitHub and download zip file, etc. In GitHub project, you can see the code map of the project. So now we will go over the classes and interfaces. First, we will begin with the interfaces. The first one is iParser. This interface defines the parse document method, and its purpose is to get the data from a URL address and parse it to weather data object. Second one is iWeatherData service. This interface defines the getWeatherData method, and its purpose is to get the weather data. Now classes. The first one is location. This class describes a location by city and country. Next class is weather data. This class describes a weather object. A weather object consists weather value, temperature, minimum, maximum, unit, last weather update, and window description. Next class is weather data service. This class implements the interface iWeatherData service. This service returns the current weather. In this class also the singleton design pattern implementation is used. Next class, weather data service exception. General exception for the weather data service. Next class, weather data service factory. Factory of weather services. Use factory design pattern. As I told you, we're using only in the RESTful web service OpenWeatherMap, but you can add other RESTful web services to your project. And last class is XML parser. This class is implemented from iParser interface, and this class purpose is to retrieve the data from the XML side and parse the data to weather object that holds all the weather details. And now we will try to do a small demonstration. You can see our main. We're creating a factory of service. Get one service from the factory by requested type. In our library, it's only OpenWeatherMap. Create location object to get weather in. As you can see, I asked the weather for London, UK. We're getting the current weather for that place, and we're printing it to the screen. Another option after that is to ask weather for another place, like your current place, for example. Let's try that. Okay, the chosen service is OpenWeatherMap, as I told you. The service got a request to return the current weather in this location, London, UK. You can see the data of the location, and now it's asking me if I wanna try to get weather in my current location. So I will choose C because I want. I'm in Seattle and Washington, and here we go. That's enough for me. I want to get out. That's it. So I hope you enjoy my video, and I hope you will enjoy using the library and that it will be useful for you. Feel free to contact with us. So bye bye.